Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use the free command to check RAM usage on Linux. So in order to do it, first of all we have to open our terminal, of course, so I will go into Show Apps and press on Terminal. And right now, I will show you how to do it. Basically, as I said before, we have to use the free command. And free command without any options looks like this. The numbers right here are pretty hard to read, so we will change them in a moment. But right there we have total memory, used memory, free memory, shared memory, and available memory, for example, and memory that is used for buff and cache. How do we change these numbers into a nicer looking number, for example, gigabytes or megabytes? We can do it by adding the -h, and as you can see right now we have this number, that 8,131,000 right there is switched to the 7.8 gigabytes. Right here we have 1.2 gigabytes, right here we have 5.5 gigabytes, and so on. And we can also basically display memory specifically in megabytes or gigabytes. So for example, if I want to do it in gigabytes, we can type -G, and right here, as you can see, it is rounded. So we had 7.8, right here we have 7, and for example we had 39 megabytes. It was very small number, so right here it is rounded to 0. And how do we display it in megabytes? So basically we are doing the same but with -m, and as you can see 7.8 is switched into 9,940. And we can also check the memory usage in real time. Basically it's really useful, I think, so I will show you that. So we can do something like this. So we will first of all use this option to show in gigabytes or megabytes, and right here we can set how many the seconds. So for example, if I set the seconds on 2, that means that my command will refresh every 2 seconds, and as you can see we have it right here and it is refreshing. And for example, if I will open my browser, you will see that the RAM usage will go up, I guess. So for example, we can stop that by pressing Ctrl+C on our keyboard, and we will see for right here we had 5.5, 5.5, and when I started my browser, as you can see, my free memory started to going down from 5.5 to 5.4 and to 3, 1, and so on. And again my shared memory started to go up, as you can see, and for example my used memory, as I said before, also started to go up. So for example from 1.2 to 1.5. So I think that comment is really useful, and that's basically all I wanted to say in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.